In this lecture, you are going to learn how to collect the list of worst backlinks and how can we remove them from the eyes of Google. In Open Link Profiler, enter your website URL and click Get Backlinks, and then order all the backlinks in ascending order of link influence score. You don't need to remove each and every link that appears as red color under link influence score, but you need to analyze each and every one which are shown in red color. This is a old and inactive website, that's why I have got only 85 active backlinks. Whereas if your website is famous, then you can have as many as 4000 to 5000 backlinks. Among them, you may have 1000 to 2000 backlinks with very low link influence score, that is in the red region. So, how to analyze them and prepare a list of worst backlinks? Actually, it's sort of easy. For example, let's start from the first one. Open the backlink. The first thing that you should see is whether it's related to your website niche or not. Here, this particular page is related to my website. For example, I can find some words such as CPU, motherboard, RAM, some graphic cards, model number, processors, model number, etc. And here is some person asking for help, and there are a list of replies, and one of the replies is having a backlink to my website. So this is absolutely normal. But why the link influence score is 0? This just means that this link has got zero influence to your website. That means even if the link is absent, the ranking of your website will not change. That is the meaning of 0% link influence score. So, though the forum is unrelated to my website, the particular page of this forum is related to my website. So, I can leave this as it is. Do you wonder why I should leave it if the link influence score is 0? Presently, this forum may not get a lot amount of traffic and it may not have a higher domain authority. But in future, over a progress of time such as 1 or 2 years, this forum may get a higher domain authority and higher amount of traffic. In such case, these backlinks may get higher link influence score. So I don't need to remove all those links with 0 link influence score. Let's move to the second one. This backlink is not in English language. But to understand what's there in this page, let's translate it. This forum's title itself is inferring that this is a dangerous website because the title says that spam, 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 loudly spam, isn't it? But still, let's go through the website or the page alone. Someone is asking whether to take GTX 570 or 580 graphics card, and a few people are replying, and I can find the link to my website in this post. But what I found is there are another links to some famous computer hardware sites such as Onantech, Trusted Reviews, and several other sites too. So it finally comes to my personal opinion whether to remove it or not. Though the discussions are related to my website, and since the link influence score is 0 as of now, and the industry of the forum is completely unrelated to me, the only plus side is that this page alone is related to my website, like the previous one. But what is the difference compared to the first and this link? The first backlink has got the link influence score as 0, but still it's not a spam website. But this one doesn't live up to my expectation. So I wish to remove these backlinks from the eyes of Google. So how can you do that? In the upcoming lectures, you will learn how to remove these links from the eyes of Google. But in the next lecture, you will learn to collect a series of backlinks like this and preparing a list of worst backlinks to remove them from the eyes of Google.